Hello everyone, this is Shweta. Welcome to my channel Styling Hub. As we all know, we are going through a very tough time. We are under lockdown. So we are not stepping out much. That keeps our energies really low. We don't feel like getting up. We don't feel like dressing up. We don't feel like focusing on ourselves. So today's video of mine is just a reminder to you all that personally I feel women are blessed to make this planet all the more beautiful and attractive. ज़्यादा कुछ करना नहीं पड़ता, बस हो जाता है. So today in this video I am going to share with you all very basic ideas from your very own wardrobe. Maybe we have forgotten what all is lying inside, so what to pull out, how to mix and match them together to be comfortable yet look good at home. I have just taken shower, so now I am going to show you one by one what all I wear at home to be comfortable and yet to feel good and look good. So the need of the hour is to keep our spirits high and let's go! To start with look 1, I am wearing a black cotton shorts with a cotton t-shirt. The t-shirt I have chosen is a v-neck. You could wear it with a round neck t-shirt as well. Depending on your comfort level, the t-shirt could be a body hugging and a loose one. For look 2, I am wearing the same pair of shorts with a ganji because it is black in color. We can club it with any color of ganji or spaghetti or a t-shirt. As summers are on, I am preferring white. The third look is again ganji with the track pant. Track pant is again a very comfortable attire at home. You can make a pony with it. In my fourth look, I am wearing same black shorts with the loose full sleeves cotton t-shirt. We can leave the t-shirt open, or to give it a more stylish look, I have tied a knot on the tummy. See, little bit of tummy revealing makes it more stylish yet very comfortable. My fifth look is in harem pants because the pants are loose, so we club it up with any body hugging ganji or spaghetti or even a top for that matter. I have worn a nose ring with it to give it a more hippie look. It is a very comfortable attire for home. Sixth look is parallel pants. They are loose, so we club it up with ganji, spaghetti or a tight t-shirt. Now to give it a stylish look again, I am making a knot at my tummy. But because I do not want to reveal my tummy, I can make a knot just at the edge of the parallel. Or even if you want to pull it up a little bit, you can slide or fold your t-shirt inside. Say it is very comfortable to carry at home because you're wearing a loose pajama. It is yet stylish. My seventh look is again loose parallels because they're floral, so I club them up with the tank top that is plain white. And because summers are going on, the people who are not comfortable wearing too much clothes on can always wear tank top or a crop top with the loose parallel. This is again very stylish yet classy. In my eighth look, I am wearing my favorite divider short skirts with a t-shirt because they are very comfortable to carry around. Here comes my ninth look in linen 3/4 pants. As we all know, linen is meant for summers. They are very airy, very light and cool for this weather. I am clubbing it right now with a ganji and my flip-flops are still on. But again, we can wear the same 3/4 with a cotton full sleeves, half sleeves t-shirts as well. Here I am wearing a full sleeves t-shirt because this is cotton. This is again keeping me very cool, and the combination of mustard and maybe yellow and white goes really well for the summers. So here comes my 10th look of the day, that is a 3/4 tights in denim. As we all know, denim is an all-purpose, roughly used fabric, so it is highly recommended to be used at home. I have clubbed it with a full sleeves t-shirt. You can always wear it with a spaghetti or a ganji as I am wearing it now. So it can be worn with a shirt or a half sleeve t-shirt as well. Hope this video of mine was of some use to you. If yes, do like and subscribe my channel. Do comment below which look you like the most. In case you incorporate some of my ideas, do share your pictures with me. I'll be glad. By then, keep watching my channel for new styling ideas. Bye for now.